Hello everyone. Welcome to this Zensum tutorial video. Today we will be looking at how you can add and manage your hardware assets in Xupervisor. Xupervisor identifies all hardware connected through the search agent, such as laptops, desktops, servers, virtual servers, and data centers. For Dell or Lenovo machines, the hardware warranty details are filled in automatically. Xupervisor also allows you to incorporate other hardware assets like phones, tablets, routers, and even allows you to create custom hardware asset types. All hardware automatically recognized through the search agent can be found and managed in the computer's main menu, under the Manage submenu. If you want to manually add a hardware asset, you can go to the Hardware main menu and click on the Manage submenu. This is the list view of all the added hardware in Xupervisor. You can see the name of the hardware and the type of hardware, along with more columns available in the column selector. Xupervisor has by default 20 different hardware types, and you can easily manage and add your own hardware types by clicking on the Types submenu under the Hardware main menu. In this view, you can create your own custom hardware type by clicking on the plus button at the top right. A new Add Hardware Type field will appear. You can then write the name of your custom hardware type and press Create. The new hardware type will be created and can be found in the list view with the custom column set to True. You can now use this hardware type when adding your own hardware to the Hardware Manage list. You can add your own hardware directly by hovering the cursor above the plus sign. A drop-down menu will then appear, and you can either choose to import your hardware by using an import template, found here at the top right side, or you can choose to add your hardware manually by creating it directly in Xupervisor. Let's create a hardware with the new custom hardware type. You can input the name of the hardware and then select your hardware type in the Hardware Type drop-down menu. You also have the option to link the hardware to a contract by simply searching for a contract and selecting it in the drop-down menu. You can also link the hardware to computers by selecting a primary computer. The hardware needs to be assigned to an organization. So when selecting a computer, the Use Computer Organizations button will automatically be turned on. You can also add a primary user to this hardware, and if you choose to select the Use User Organizations, it will automatically turn off the Use Computer Organizations button. If Use User Organizations is also turned off, then you can manually choose the organization, geographical region, or the cost center for the hardware. Purchasing information regarding this hardware can also be added, such as purchase date, purchase price, and purchase currency. If the hardware has any warranty, you can select the warranty start date along with the warranty end date. You can also add a serial number, choose if the status should be set to active, and add notes to the hardware. Files that are related to the hardware can be uploaded by clicking on Upload File. When all the necessary information has been added, you can click on the Create button and a hardware will be created and added to the list. By clicking on any of the rows in the grid, the detail view will be shown for that specific hardware. The first tab shows an overview, where you can get more information about the hardware by hovering the mouse over the different icons, such as the serial number or purchase price. There is also a Comments tab. In this tab, you can write any comment, express reactions, and engage in replies to comments made by other users. In order to ping a user, simply type and then the user's name. The mentioned user will receive a notification on their bell icon in the top right and see that they have been mentioned in a comment for this hardware. You can edit the hardware once it has been created by clicking on the Edit button. You will then return to the Creation view where you can update any of the hardware fields and then press Update to save your edits. You can also copy the contract by clicking on the Copy button. And finally, you have the option to delete the hardware by pressing the red Delete button. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to read up on our Xupervisor wiki or reach out to our support team if you need any help navigating the platform. Stay tuned for more from Zensum.